You have the blue. This is the G33. Very easy to identify. Cool texture on the back. And you are annoyed that they put the Google Assistant on the power button. So you push the power button, and I don't have my Google account set up, but it brings up the Google Assistant. And all you want to do is turn the phone off, and you got to fidget through every single time. And, you know, is it the bottom button? Is it the top button? No, it's annoying. You are so annoyed with this phone. Let me show you how to fix it. All right, let's put the power back on the power button. We're going to jump into settings, touch settings. We're going to scroll all the way down to system, then touch gestures. And inside gestures, it's right here. Press and hold the power button. And right now it says press and hold for the assistant. Nah, we don't want that. We want that off. Now it says press and hold for the power menu. And if you press home, now we can test it. You're done using your phone. You want to turn it off for the night or for a meeting or get in your car. The power menu is right there. And that is what we want. All right, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.